and today I find myself back in Charlotte at the Hilton Charlotte City Center, and this is room 2211. It is, I was actually upgraded from, I guess, my normal king room to the executive level king room. So this is on the 22nd floor, same as the executive lounge at this hotel. So you walk in, and to the right is the bathroom. Kind of looks like most Hilton bathrooms, but does have all of the Hilton products. Then an actual magnifying mirror with a light on it, which is awesome for doing makeup. Then hair dryer, extra towels, single sink, and I actually really like the lighting in this hotel, in the bathroom. Normal bathroom, toilet. There's a phone in here, and the shower kind of looks like every other Hilton shower, but has, hopefully that's a good shower head. All right, so we'll leave the bathroom, go across to the closet, and then we have two robes, ironing board, the suitcase stand. This hotel is attached to a YMCA, so you can use their facilities, including their pool there. It also has a king bed kind of around the corner here from the door. On this side, doesn't look like there's an outlet on this side. And not a real top sheet, but a little bit better than some of the other Hiltons. Bench at the end of the bed. And doesn't look like, oh wait, there is. This has two outlets and two USBs in the alarm clock, so awesome. And then a phone next to the bed, plenty of pillows, a little armchair table here, and then little coffee station and a mini fridge, which is empty, so you can put whatever you'd like in there. Another alarm clock, which also has an iPhone dock, TV against the wall, more outlets here with both USB and a normal outlet, and then let's see what's in here. Oh, there's a safe in here. And then we can look outside. So I am up pretty high on the 22nd floor. I have an interesting view. If you look down, you can see just kind of, I'm in Uptown, so just a park and a couple other things. The shadow's in the way, so you might not be able to see it. And then right out there is Spectrum Center, some of the downtown, uptown buildings in Charlotte. And then a lot of flat land beyond that, but it's a great view up here. So yeah, this is room 2211 at the Hilton City Center, Charlotte.